Today we're working on our old house project. The guys are finishing up with the deck spindles. Starting to actually look like something. This has been a long project, a lot of details, but it's starting to come together. All kiln dried after treatment wood. All our pickets are screwed in. Roy's getting the spindles cut. Quality First Drywall really took care of us. Got all our drywall hung throughout the house. Really nice finish work, which can be challenging in these old houses, but Richard and his crew really came through for us, as always. Tomorrow we're going to start trimming things out. You guys got all the dust mopped up. Really makes a nice touch for this homeowner. And just so no one forgets, keeps the job site nicer. Once the trim is up, we're going to move right into painting, tile. This house is getting some really nice tile work. Got our new heating and air system put in. Big thanks to Bucky Holland and his guys for that. New return. This is starting to look like what the customer wanted. Got a correct size doorway put in, the bathroom tightened up. Going to be getting some new windows, nice Simonton replacement windows. This is going to be the master closet, upstairs laundry room. Stackable unit right there. This will be the master shower, master bathroom. Really nice walk-in, glass surround. And I will keep you posted with updates as progress continues. And thank you for watching.